Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Barbasena Bithia, Commerce section. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 4, Planning. After the completion of 3 chapters, Nature and Significance of Management, Principles of Management and Business Environment, now we turn on next chapter, chapter 4, Planning. Planning, as we know that planning is a prime function of management. It is a very initial, essential and important function of management. Without planning, we can't initiate the management as a process to achieve a certain goal. So, being a very first initial stage of management planning, after that planning we have to organize staffing, directing and controlling. There are the 5 management is a integrated force of 5 different functions, which is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And the planning is very first step, initial step, essential step, important step. No doubt, without planning we can't initiate any managerial action towards achieving any certain goal. Thus, first of all, we have to define planning. Planning, what is planning? Planning, in simple words, we can state that predetermination of what to do and how to do. Predetermination of what to do and how to do is known as planning. प्लानिंग क्या है कि प्री डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, इसका पूर्व निर्धारण ही प्लानिंग है. प्लानिंग इज अ मैप. प्लानिंग इज अ route chart. Planning can be defined as a route chart on which we have to follow, which have to be followed to achieve a certain goal. It is a predetermination of what to do and how to do, and that's all about planning. Planning is futuristic, and next activity is known as planning. Definition of planning: it is a predetermination of what to do and how to do. It is an initial and essential step regarding management. Now, the next, इसमें 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आएगा. What do you mean by planning? Planning is a predetermination of what to do and how to do. Next है importance and benefits of planning. Planning के importance और benefits क्या होते हैं? Planning provides direction. Actually, as we stated just that planning can be defined as a route chart towards a certain objective or goal. Thus, planning provides direction that now after a certain activity, what to do next. So that is already predetermined. Thus, planning provides direction to the manager towards achieving their certain goals. Second, planning reduces the risk of uncertainties. As we know that while we plan, we focus on all available alternatives, and thus it is helpful to reduce uncertainty which may come in the way of achievement of goals and targets. Thus uncertainty, because planning itself is futuristic, so in future, and future is uncertain. So while we make plan, we consider all types of situations, and when we consider all types of situations, in that situation it reduces uncertainty, because we also consider adverse situation, and in that to solve that adverse situation we also make some alternative plans. So planning reduces risk of uncertainty. It is a very most important benefits of planning. Third है planning reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. While we work on a plan way or on a certain plan, then there were totally absence of overlapping of and wasteful activities, because according to plan we have to be fix our targets, we have to be fix our action according to our goals, and thus no one action were going to be overlap, or no one action is wasteful according to plan to achieving that goal. Thus planning also reduce overlapping and wasteful activities, which is very essential to achieving a certain goal in time and in cost. Next, planning promotes innovative ideas. While we plan, we have to be think a lot of channels, lot of alternatives, lot of ways, and among those alternative channels, ways, and alternative ways, we have to be find most cost effective and time efficient technology and ways and activities to get our and achieve our goals. Thus planning also helpful to innovate ideas, finds new ways, and in this way planning is more helpful to towards achieving goals, and planning promotes innovative ideas. Next, planning facilitates decision making. While we plan, we always plan for future and for future activities and to achieving a certain goals. In that way, we have to be a lot of moment we find where under planning we have to be make decision that if that particular situation came in front of us, what we have to be do at that situation. तो हम पहले से ये कल्पना कर पाते हैं कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो हमको क्या करना होगा, और उसके लिए हम बहुत सारे अल्टरनेटिव वेज और मेथड्स पे विचार विमर्श करते हैं. तो प्लानिंग फैसिलिटेट डिसीजन मेकिंग, दैट व्हाइल वी प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर, while we plan to achieve a certain goal, then at the time of planning we have to be make a decision towards that critical situations also which may came in the way of planning. So what a type of critical situation can be came, it also considered, and what is going to be remedy for that critical situation, it is also important. So, and in that critical situation, what should be the action which we have to be taken to solve that critical situation? It also mention in planning. Thus, planning promotes our planning facilitate decision making, especially on critical moments. And it is most important benefits of planning. Next, planning establish standards for controlling. Planning जो है वो standards for controlling करता है. While we plan, we consider all types of activities regarding their cost, regarding their time efficiency, cost efficiency, resource requirement, everything, and that's and also we consider the quality of that particular work at the time of planning. So while we plan, we consider a lot of things regarding cost, regarding time, regarding quality of product, regarding goal. So while we plan, we find some standards for controlling, and that is that standards must be cost effective and time efficient standards, which we have to be matched for achieving our goals, and that is the benefits and importance of planning. So students, planning is very important chapter from the point of view of board examination, and most of several years the question were asked from this chapter. You all have to be prepare the notes of this chapter in your homework book, and also remember, stay home, safe home. In next video we are going to decide the features of planning. Okay, till then, bye. Stay home, safe home.